Hello friends, good afternoon. I'm Dr. Ritu Ahel and you're watching me live on my weekly webcast. Welcome back all of you. Today, as promised earlier, I'm going to talk about one of the most common procedures performed in dental clinic. Um, any guesses, anyone, what I'm going to speak about? Yes, I'm going to talk about root canal treatments. Root canal treatments, or RCs, or RCTs as commonly called, uh, are the most commonly performed procedures in dentistry these days, and almost every practice has one procedure being carried out in a day. So it's that common. But it's also one of the most dreaded procedures in dentistry. Dreaded by the patients because they feel that RCT means it's synonymous with pain. The moment the dentist tells you that, look, this tooth needs a root canal treatment, your first reaction is, God, it's going to really hurt, doctor. Is there anything I can do about it? Can I avoid root canal in some way? Is there any other treatment? Because I'm really scared of a root canal. Now, root canal treatments are not new actually. The first root canal was performed in its crude form in the year 1838. Since then, root canal treatments have undergone a sea transformation in the form of the armamentarium used, the techniques, the methodology, anesthesia, so as to make it more and more comfortable to the patients. So now, as dentists in this era, we can say that root canal is almost painless. So people need not fear about root canal. Now, why undergo a root canal in the first place? Now, a root canal is essentially performed to save a tooth when the nerve of the tooth has been damaged due to various reasons. So that is why a root canal is required, and usually the patient develops a lot of pain. That's one of the main symptoms. The patient walks into the clinic uh, for a root canal. Now, once your dentist advises you that you need to undergo a root canal, you must be wondering, how many visits is it going to take, doctor? What should I expect? Now, unlike the earlier times where root canal was done in n number of visits, these days root canal is generally performed in a very lesser number of visits. So the first visit, essentially, if you visit a dentist, is for pain. So I think in the first visit, the dentist would just take care of your pain. So it's more of pain management. Therein, he can schedule an appointment for you because he needs time to work on the tooth. So the second visit would be towards the cleaning and working on the canal system. The canal system is like small artery vessels in your tooth, that require cleaning. You can compare it to a tree trunk which has a main trunk and lot of offshoots. So imagine that whole thing in that little tooth has to be cleaned up. So that is why the dentist requires more time. Generally, the second visit is wherein the entire cleaning has been done and the canal system is just sealed permanently. Um, that is the reason why a dentist requires about 40 to 45 minutes if he wants to do a good root canal per visit. All right. The second the question arises is, doc, when can I go in for a root canal treatment? What is the age, minimum age that one can go in for a root canal? Over here, age is no bar. We can do a root canal for a kid as small as 2 years, 3 years if required. And we can also do a root canal for a person above 70, 80, 90, whatever the case may be. So it is immaterial how old you are, you can easily and safely undergo a root canal treatment. Of course, the procedures are different for children and the procedures are different for adults. And I will be talking more about baby root canal therapies and root canals for adults in my subsequent webcasts. But this weekend, I just wanted to tell you that, look, a root canal is performed to save your tooth. You can just consider it as an extension of a filling. So do not fear a root canal. Discuss your fears with the dentist. Be prepared on what the procedure is going to be like. And I'm sure you you'll you'll just sail through the whole procedure, and of course you'll get up from a dental chair saying that yes, root canal is not painful at all. That's all for this weekend. See you all next weekend with more inputs on root canal. If you have any questions, feel free to comment me in my page. I'll definitely get back to you on that. Keep watching this channel, keep sharing these with your friends and families, and have a great time. Bye bye.